back to that, the fact that he's been able to penetrate with the ball, and you look at that game, that Houston game, the success that he had was predominantly because he was able to get the ball in the low post and take advantage of these nincompoops right here. But we're going to be fine as soon as they vacate the area. This is Rumble.
Hey, you know
this
what?
is Rocky.
I think they're getting us back for the fact that Russell blocked Rocky's shot. Is that what is happening?
Rumble's got all his buddies from around the league, and hey, just welcome everybody. What else can you say except you welcome Rumble and his buddies here?
Why are you letting them do this to us?
Sabotage.
Well, as Grant is trying to work, my purse has been displayed. You're not going to find much in there, all over the desk, and we've given everyone a good show. We're glad to see you here, though, all of you mascots. It's so great, and he has my money, so I think we should take a break now. But coming up next on Thunder Live, if we get rid of these guys, we're going to talk about Kevin Martin.
How do you
possibly maybe some mascots and try to clean up the desk. It's coming up next in our pregame edition of Thunder Live in just a few moments.